Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see all and everything hair related. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm working with ISEE hair, and this is their Mongolian hair. This is how the bag looks. It is their kinky curly in 18 inches, 13 by 4, and 150 density. In this bag, in that bag that I showed you was the wig, but in the box, which you open like so, has a whole bunch of goodies in it. So first of all, this box is too cute. Okay, y'all, it's too cute. It came with a rat tail edge, a comb piece, and your edge brush. It came with some actually really nice lashes. It also came with a scarf, which you could use at night if you do glue your units down. It came with a super duper nice thick stretchy elastic band. And for the glue users, a tip to y'all is tie this down after you have finished doing your glue and baby hairs and let it just set all in, and it does the work. Before tying it down, just cut a piece off so you can put the band in the back, just if you'd like it to be super duper secure. It comes with a pamphlet, and I'm pretty sure this is the hair care tips and information, so it tells you a whole lot about maintaining your hair. And last but not least, the wig caps. So that's all that this wig came with, which is pretty much your wig installation starter kit. The only thing that's not in here is literally an actual brush and glue, if you do use glue or mousse. It's really good that this company, you know, did their thing and put some work in so you don't have to. I love that you are definitely getting the value for your money that you're spending for the wig. So that's something to consider. They have really nice packaging, and this hair is overall super gorgeous. I did tell you guys the specs before, so I don't think I need to, but if you'd like to purchase this wig, which I highly recommend, because y'all, look at these curls, they are to die for. But yeah, highly would recommend purchasing this unit if you'd like some gorgeous kinky curly hair. The links for that will be in my description box, so definitely go ahead and check that out, along with some discount codes and their social media platforms. So thank you so much for watching, and just keep on watching. This is it brushed out, dried. This is the hair, how it came in the package. This is like how it looked. So it's kinky curly, and this is what it looks like after me manipulating it using water and Cantu curl activator. It comes in like this white bottle, and I just created a mixture, and the mixture got really thick, and so that's pretty much what I used. And I just came on here just to show you guys just the before and after of how the hair looks. So this hair is like so freaking gorgeous, y'all. I cannot even. And what I am going to do right now though is I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this other side and use my brush to comb through. Then I'll do the baby hairs and all that good stuff. So let's just jump into it. So what I am doing obviously is just using the mixture and spraying it onto the hair, and it's white because the Cantu thing was white. And you know, after being diluted, I don't know why or for what reason, but Cantu just becomes really thick. So note to self, y'all, note to y'all selves, and note to myself, because I did not know that it would have been like this thick of a mixture. Like, it's on my hands, and I like it actually, because with mixtures like these, it just helps to retain a lot of moisture in the hair, and that's something that I definitely like. especially with kinky curly hair, you can never have too much moisture in this hair, period. So I'm just pretty much getting all of the hair, every single last strand wet, just to ensure that every single thing is, you know, like really nice and smooth it out with no like dry spots. And then as you can see, this is it like before, and this is it in a more dried state. So the hair does shrink. It is 18 inches, and because it's kinky curly hair, the coils are tighter and the hair just shrinks up a lot more than your average regular curly hair or regular, you know, like deep wave or any type of waves. So definitely expect that with this. If you do want something longer, I definitely say go for a longer length, you know, because this is where 18 inches is at once it's shrunken. I'm going to go into doing my baby hairs and stuff. This is the install portion of this video because it is glueless. I never usually do it where I do the styling first and the baby hairs pretty much to seal the wig onto my head after, but you know, it's all about trying something new. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, y'all, so I have my got to be, and yes, this stuff lasts me for months. Okay, I have like 2 bottles that I interchange with, and they all have like a good amount of product in there, so don't even worry. It's still here. Like, I've had these bottles for so long. I'm talking months on months, y'all, and that's just crazy. Like, I think the last time I bought bottles of Got To Be was in March or something, and it's still here to this day. Okay, so I'm gonna just do the baby hairs, but I'm gonna actually do a time lapse, so it's gonna be sped up just to, you know, keep this video pushing faster. Okay, so that is pretty much the end of the video. I did my edges as you all saw with my Got To Be glue gel, and that definitely keeps, y'all see me tugging, it keeps the wig in place. Okay, overall, love this hair. Would I recommend it? Definitely would. Let's speak about the shedding that I got from, you know, like brushing the sides. I can't find a comb, so just gonna use this. And for some kinky curly hair, this hair definitely does not shed a lot. Like, this is all I got, literally from the wig being brand new, and I'm in love. I'm sold. If I were to buy this wig again, I would, because 10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10. The curls are gorgeous. The only thing that I probably would want is just a little more length, but again, that's not up to me, that's up to the curls, because the curls are really, really nice, tight, kinky, coily curls, hence the name of the wig, Mongolian Kinky Curly. And it is 18 inches, so I don't know what I was expecting, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. Love it. Tangling, it's no tangling with this hair. Like, one rake through and the hair doesn't get frizzy, it doesn't get out of control or no type of nothing bad. So again, I would definitely purchase this unit. And if you would like to purchase a gorgeous kinky curly unit, ISEE here is the website to go on. So the link to the website and a link to this gorgeous wig will be in the description box for anyone who would like to go ahead and purchase the unit. I definitely would recommend, and there should be a couple discount codes below, so definitely use those at checkout so you could get some sort of coins off and save money. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.